Alright, I just bought a Seenda 7-color backlit wireless keyboard, and this is not my usual kind of video. I usually do art videos, art lesson type videos, but I thought since I got this new keyboard I would do a little unboxing. I got it from Amazon. It's a little beat up on the corner there, but other than that it looks pretty good. I'm going to try and make this quick, but open it up. Kind of nice little packaging right there. A little protective. Oh, this is a nice little, it's got a keyboard cover to kind of keep it nice and clean. Here is the keyboard itself and the parts and the user manual. Who reads these things, right? And nothing else there in that box, so we're going to throw that to the side. It's all nice and wrapped up. I'm going to flip it over, open it up. Now, it's a wireless keyboard, but it is chargeable, so that's what this cord is supposed to be for. Alright, and I did not see an adapter, so let's see. You know what, I may have to read the little user manual after all. This is kind of nice to cover it up. I don't know that I will use that very much because, well, anyway, alright, let's put this over here on the side. Let's look at the user manual. LED indicator lights. They're over here at the top, right hand corner. And let's see, the package content should have a backlit wireless Bluetooth keyboard, a Type-C charging cable, and a user manual. Okay, so it's a backlit wireless Bluetooth keyboard. I was thinking, you know, on the cheaper wireless keyboards you get like that little piece that you can plug into your computer, but this doesn't have that. This just goes straight to Bluetooth. Alright, so let us get it set up. Start up my computer. Let me see here. Alright, my computer is turned on. Now let's see, how do we hook this thing up? Warning, do not squeeze, twist, or hit the keyboard. Do not put this product in a microwave or strong magnetic field. Prevent splashing. Make sure the using environment is dry. Please use a soft, dry cloth material to clean the keyboard. Remember to turn off the keyboard when not using. Alright, iPad pairing steps. I don't want to pair it with my iPad. I hope I read enough of the things and this is compatible with my computer. I'm going to be mad if I just bought one that doesn't go with my computer. Samsung tablet. Pairing steps for tablet with Windows system. Mac pairing. How to connect my device to... Uh-oh. Okay. Pairing steps for tablet with Windows system. Tablets. Huawei tablet pairing system. Please note. iPad troubleshooting. Alright, I got it connected. It was actually pretty simple. You press the function key and the F1 key and it will blink for 1 second, and then you hold this down for 5 seconds and it starts blinking, and then while it's doing that you go to your desktop and you click on the Windows button down here, and then settings, and then Bluetooth and other devices, and then you click on, and you make sure that then you make sure that you click on add Bluetooth or other device. When you do, it'll give you options like this. You add a device, your keyboard will come up, you click connect and all that, but I've already done that, so it should be good. You can see it right there, it's connected, right? And here it is, and it's lit up. It's not as bright as I expected it to be, but that might be because I haven't set it to be brighter yet, or it might be because my screen is on and it's pretty bright. So just as I expected, after reading the instructions, it's funny that I said at the beginning of this video, who reads these instructions, right? Well, it takes a little bit more. Anyway, you can press this button to change the brightness. It's a little light bulb button right here, and you press that to change the brightness of the backlit feature, including off. And then if you press that and up or down, you can change the color. Pretty easy, and it looks pretty effective. The keys are nice, and they're quiet. There's a little bit of a thumping, not really in sound, but just in feel. So anyway, it's looking pretty good. It'll take me a little while to figure out if I like it as much as my keyboard that came with my computer. The keyboard that came with it was really nice. The only reason I wanted a different one is so that I could work at night and see my keys in the dark, and so I could change the brightness of it, and also so it would be wireless. So that aspect of it, this is great. So hope you like it. If you have any questions, put them in the comments, and I'll try and answer any questions you got. This is brand new to me, so I don't know how much I'm going to like it between now and later on. Anyway, come back and visit my channel for more art videos. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. It wasn't really meant to be a complete review, just more of an unboxing. Show you what I get out of the box and how I can use it. Let me put this little protector on here, and let's see how it looks through this little protector. So if you want to use this, you can. It does sort of dull the appearance, obviously, but you can still tap on it. Doesn't seem to impede any of that, and you can still see it's backlit. Let me think. I'm gonna tap on it a little bit, type on it just a little bit, and you can hear how well it does, what it sounds like. Let me get a little. Let me open up a Word document. All right, so here it goes. Listen up. And that's what it really sounds like. It's pretty quiet. One reason I'm concerned about quiet is my office here is right next to my daughter's room, and she complained the other day of hearing me click on this keyboard. Hear that clicking? Compared to this. But anyway, cool. All right. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.